As a naturally more shy and introverted person, when I initially wanted to start a YouTube channel, I didn't feel confident enough to do so, to the point where I put off starting a YouTube channel for several years before eventually doing so. 2.5 years ago, I started my original channel on YouTube. What I have found since then, and since I've been posting to YouTube, is that YouTube is actually a fantastic platform for introverts. What YouTube gives us is the ability to live our true authentic lives, and I think that I found that a struggle in other aspects of my life. And what I mean by this is, perhaps if you're an introverted person, maybe you do the same thing, but when I meet a new group of people, when I perhaps start a new job, for example, I find myself molding myself to be more like how I think those people want me to be. Perhaps that's a bit more like them, or just kind of fitting in with that, like say if it's a new job, that kind of ethos of the company, with the type of people that I'm working with, find myself mimicking them slightly, and as a result not being true to my authentic self. I feel like I have to keep a part of myself hidden, and that perhaps I am less acceptable to the people around me. Certainly I've heard people say to me plenty of times that, you know, you'll never get on in life if you're not like the loudest person in the room, if you're not making yourself be heard. And as a naturally more shy and introverted person, that can be really hard to hear. It's like hearing somebody say that if you're not loud enough, your opinion is not worth being heard. What your thoughts are not worth vocalizing, and nobody's going to want to hear from you. They're going to want to hear from the people who are louder than you, more confident than you, the extroverts of the world. And I strongly believe that the world needs a mixture of everyone. We cannot all be alike, and all of our voices are important and worthy of being heard. YouTube has given me that authenticity. It's given me the confidence to be more authentic, to live a more authentic life. And you may have heard the expression about finding your tribe, like the importance of finding your tribe. And I think with YouTube, it's less so about finding your tribe and more about your tribe finding you. The fantastic thing about YouTube and the YouTube algorithm is that it will show your content to the people who are right for you naturally, and those people who really gel with you, who have similar interests to you, are on a similar journey to you, they will be naturally drawn to your content. They will watch along, they will subscribe, and you quickly find yourself with your very own tribe. Often hear that called a community. And why is your tribe, why is your community so important? It is massively important to all of us to have that tribe, that community around us. And oftentimes that is a virtual community. Especially if, like me, you're working, maybe you've got children like I have, you've got other caring commitments, other responsibilities. You're out, you're at work for such an awfully long part of the day, and then you're tending to other people's needs. It's that online community which can really draw us together, keep us going, keep us on track, motivate us, rally around us when we need them. And that is absolutely so vital for us all, for our mental health, but also I think for challenging us. And that's something that I've really found, that YouTube has really, and that community that I have found on YouTube has really challenged me to try things that I would not have otherwise tried. I have a health and fitness channel, and I've just been out for a run walk before filming this, and I thought it was such a lovely day, all the leaves falling from the trees, and I had the idea to film this video. So that is what I'm doing. But YouTube has challenged me to try new things, and also to hold me accountable, to keep me going on my health and fitness journey, and working on my health. It has massively improved my life. It's been so beneficial for me, but also YouTube has benefited me in so many other ways. I think the biggest one for me is in developing my confidence. And my confidence was absolutely rock bottom in my 20s. I'm 41 now. It's been a long process. It hasn't just been thanks to YouTube. But in the last 2.5 years, my goodness me, the boost in my confidence has been unreal. It has given me, YouTube's given me the confidence to push myself, really push myself out of my comfort zone, try new things, challenge myself, and try new things at work, and given me the confidence to actually speak up more at work. not the loudest person in the room, and I'll never be the loudest person in the room, but I will make sure that my voice is heard now where I wouldn't previously. The me of now compared to the me of 5 years ago is like unrecognisable. Hello, little spider, off you go. Is absolutely unrecognisable, and that has been something which has been really surprising to me. I had hoped when I started a YouTube channel that it would help me to build my confidence, but just the degree to which that I have has been unreal. And I will forever be grateful to that. And if you are somebody who is naturally more shy, introverted, then I cannot recommend to you enough starting a YouTube channel. At first, you will find that yourself, you'll fear that judgment as well. And I still do when I post videos now. I still think like, will anyone watch this? And do you know what happens? Sometimes they don't, and it doesn't matter. Absolutely doesn't matter. It makes no difference. Those videos just silently roll on by, and you move on to the next one. I don't delete any of my videos. I leave all of my videos on this channel up. Whether they get 8 views or 200 views, it doesn't matter, because I'm learning something. I'm pushing myself. I'm trying new things. And as long as you're doing that and you're learning and you're growing and you have joy from that situation, then you should absolutely continue to do that. It's so important to us that we're seeking that, to push ourselves to learn and to grow in so many ways that we can. Like, we never stop learning, we never stop growing. And I think YouTube for me has it just seen me grow and develop so quickly in such a short space of time. So if you feel like you want to start a YouTube channel, do it. Feel the fear and do it anyway, is what they say, isn't it? But what you find out is that fear is totally unwarranted. You will not find yourself like inundated with hateful comments. You will not find negativity. You will find your tribe. You will find yourself very welcome, and you will find people just wonderful and supportive. I've had so many lovely comments. It has been such a wonderful boost to this journey, and also, you never know what you will learn in the process. I think learning the skills of actually making YouTube videos has been a big boost. Like, I was definitely not a techie person, but to find myself able to overcome all of those technical challenges has been a real big boost as well. But yeah, growing in confidence has been the absolute massive positive. Finding my tribe has been amazing, and I'm so excited to continue to grow a community here on YouTube and see what else I can learn, what other challenges I can throw myself into, and the confidence that it gives me in pursuing my career and pursuing all these other exciting opportunities that come my way in life. I wish all these wonderful things for you too. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, drop me a comment, let me know what you would start a YouTube channel about, and let's go on this journey together. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.